It's Midwest Landscaping, www.uniqueenvironments.com. We're here at the world headquarters of Valvet Systems with Mr. Ted. Tell us what you got new and what's happening out here, Ted.
Okay, this is our brand new drip that we're going to be coming out with shortly.
Okay.
And this is the only one where we have it coming out of the top. This is for in lieu of flood bubblers. This is basically our flood bubbler one.
Now, what makes it so unique? What's this rig key
For one thing, no pressure regulation. You can tie it into any existing sprinkler system, whether there's rotors or whether there's sprays or whether you want to make them all drip. It doesn't matter. This is called the above grade drip. Now, I'm going to take this off. Notice I can do this with the little valve. I can just shut it off while the water's on.
So this is the little valve shrub head?
Yeah, this is a little valve, pardon me, riser extender. We have them in shrub heads, but this is basically just 1/2 inch male threads and 1/2 inch female threads.
Okay.
Here is a Toro shrub adapter that takes Toro heads with the little valve.
Okay.
And we also, of course, have our pop-up replacement stems with the little valves in them.
Okay.
For all the major manufacturers.
So show me another combination.
I'm going to show you this. I'm going to show you but our focus here is our above grade drip. Okay. It's off. Okay, little valves do not shut off 100%, so it's like that. This one here will come out at 45 degrees, the two streams.
Wow. So
we also have single stream. We're going to have 45 degrees. We're going to have two streams 90 degrees. We're going to have two streams center, called center strips. And we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 streams and 1, 2, 3 streams. This one here will be called like a 1/3. And,
so about how much water is coming out of there approximately?
We're making up all the charts because the water depends, the amount of water that comes out, GPMs or GPHs, depends on how far this is shooting to the plant.
Okay.
The other factor is this 4 inches off the ground or is this 9 inches off the ground? That will change your distances, but it won't change the GPMs.
Now, from the standpoint of water efficiency, what makes this a unique product that you've invented or come up with? What makes it so unique from the standpoint of water savings?
Oh, because you can now have a drip on a system that you want, even if it's all sprays or all rotors, we don't care. You can now have this particular sprinkler be a drip because you can incorporate, because of the little valve, you have individual control over each and every sprinkler, and you can therefore make one of them little valves and one of them not little valves. You can do whatever you want. You have all kinds of flexibility. But obviously you're going to be saving a great deal of water if you're just shooting the water right at the plant. Like
wow. That. And you said that you can use this like on a system, say if you had a rotors or spray heads, that you can incorporate this still on that same system because of that pressure regulation?
Oh, by the way, there's no pressure regulation ever required when you have little valves because little valves override all high pressure. But you could have a football field with great big giant rotors, have one tree off to the side, run a 1/2 inch pipe over there, and every time the rotors go on, this little guy with the single stream, or double stream if you choose, is going to be hitting that tree and watering that tree. And as long as the math works, you can make it work.
Right on. This is the latest and greatest at world headquarters of Valvet Systems. And what's the website there in order to find out more about the Valvet System products?
www.watersavingsprinklers.com or www.littlevalve.com.
Thank you. It's Ed Wallace, Midwest Landscaping, www.uniqueenvironments.com.